Here's how we adapted the E-flite GBR2 dummy radial engine to use with our old-school Model Works Robinhood 25. Included in the GB's replacement parts package are the front of the cowl assembly, 2 bags of screws, long and short, and a bag of other parts that aren't needed for this. Start by removing these 4 screws from the back of the cowl assembly. Then pry this C-shaped cover off the back of the radial. Next, remove each of these 5 screws. Now the radial is free from the cowling. You can use this as is, or you can modify it like we'll show you, removing the outer ring and other supporting parts. To remove the outer ring, it has to be cut away in sections, both between the cylinders and between the rocker covers on each cylinder. A rotary tool with a small cutting bit makes this easy. Also, there was more extra plastic between the bottom 3 cylinders that we also cut away. After the outer ring pieces were cut away, we changed to a grinding bit to slowly clean up all the cuts. Use your best judgment when trimming, and remember it's easier to remove this plastic than it is to put it back on, so take your time. Determine the diameter of your motor and make sure you leave an extra 1/8 inch or so all around the case for clearance and cooling. Transfer this diameter to the center of the radial and trim it to the new larger diameter. We drilled mounting holes in 4 of the cylinders, equally spaced around the engine. Then we used the included pack of 4 longer screws to attach the radial to the Robinhood's firewall. That's it. Enjoy this added realism on your old-school Model Works Robinhood 25.